WordPress provides several easy-to-use tools for editing images in your content. The most common edit you'll make is size. If your browser permits it, you can simply click the image and then use the polling boxes on the corners to adjust the size of the image in the window. Not all browsers support this type of scale edit, so we'll need to use the normal image editor to make any other types of modifications in those browsers. To edit the image, simply click the image and then go to Edit Image in the top left corner. In this pop-up window, you'll see several options that you can use to edit the image, such as size, alignment, and then a preview window that shows you the changes that you're making in real time. In the alignment section, clicking None lines up the images in line with the text. Selecting left forces the image all the way to the left and then wraps the text around the right. Clicking Center centers the image in its own line. Clicking right forces the image all the way to the right with the text wrapping around to the left. If you navigate up to the advanced settings, you can get a more fine-tuned control over the type of styles that you apply to the image, such as specific width settings, height settings, CSS, or any other type of image property that you'd like to assume control over. But scale and size are not the only attributes that you can edit with images in WordPress. If you visit your media library, you'll see all the images and other types of media that you've uploaded to your site already. Hovering over top of one of the images reveals three options. You can click Edit to make changes to specific images. When you're greeted with this window, below the image, you'll see Edit Image. Clicking that will reveal even more options for you to fine-tune how you want your image to appear on your site. Over on the right-hand side, we can click the drop-down menu here to adjust the scale. Modifying the content in one of these boxes adjusts the other accordingly. If you attempt to make the image larger than its original size, WordPress warns you that the image may become fuzzy because you're making it larger than it originally was. The toolbar above the image gives us even more options. We can rotate the image counterclockwise. We can rotate the image clockwise. We can flip the image vertically. We can flip the image horizontally. There's an undo button to undo any changes that you may not want, and a redo button if you change your mind. The button all the way to the left is crop. By default, it's not clickable. In order to crop the image, we need to tell WordPress where we'd like the crop to take place. To do this, simply click anywhere in the image and then drag a box where you'd like the image to be. With your box created, the crop button now becomes clickable. To save your changes, simply click Save. The changes that you make to images in WordPress are not permanent. To reverse the changes and go back to normal, go back into the Edit Image section, and on the right-hand side, you can see Restore Original Image. Clicking this will reveal a button that will nullify any changes that you've made previously to this media and restore it to normal.